Guys, I'm working on a 2017 Chrysler 300S. So to remove the, I'll change the radiator and all this stuff. So I open up the front end. But to remove the motor mount, you need a 50 millimeter and 60 millimeter. This one is 16 millimeter at the base here. And then these are, hold on. This is 60 millimeter. This is 50 millimeter. You just need to jack up the engine from here and remove these two bolts, starting with these two. And once you remove them, they come from the engine, and this one sit on the subframe. So this 60 millimeter, you remove it from the subframe after you remove the 50 millimeter bolt from the engine, and you just put a piece of wood under the oil pan, jack it up a little bit, and then you will be able to swap it. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so this is a 2017 Chrysler 300. I'm trying to replace the driver side motor mount. I already replaced the passenger side. That's very easy. So the motor mount has a 215 millimeter bolt. That's what I'm removing now. It's almost out. Okay, here's the first bolt. When we install it back, this will go inside like this. Okay, now we are going to remove the second bolt, and that's also 15 millimeter. And then after that, we have 60 millimeter bolt, another 60 millimeter bolt here. This one, let me see. Let me try this. Wonder if I can get this from the top. There's not a lot of room to work on this thing. I can try from the bottom, from the wheel well. Let's see if that will work better. Let's see. Can have a better view. I don't know if I can do much better than this. We're almost there. I'm trying to remove the bolt that connects the engine mount to the subframe. So this is a 16mm bolt. It's hard to reach without the proper tool, so this has been very helpful to reach down there. So it's almost out. It's just a matter of reaching out there with my finger to remove the bolt because it's all loose. Maybe I can keep turning it and we just fall out. Yeah. It's all off now. So this is the tool I use to reach down there. So he has to have the proper tool, man. Now I'm going to try to remove the motor mount. Oh man, seems like I had to lift the engine a little bit more. I don't know if this is the best way to take it out. to the back might be better. Oh man, okay. Let me see if I can take it from the top. I don't think the top is gonna work. I think the best way is here. Man, I'm glad you guys are watching the struggle. No, it's not gonna go through there. I think the best way is to the front. Just need to close off. Alright, there you have it. That's a motor mount. Just have to be patient and maneuver. Yeah, that's it. So we go ahead and install the new one. Yeah. I'm going to blow it a little bit to clean the surface, the mounting surface. I'm installing the new one now. Alright, it's sitting perfectly. That's great, man. That's awesome. So I'm gonna start by putting in the bolt. And I'm gonna move back and put a bolt on the back also.